Page number 33. Page number 33. Theorem 1.31. This is a very important theorem in the circle chapter. The combined equation of the pair of tangents drawn from Px1 y1 to the circle s equal to 0 is s1 square equal to s into s11. So what is the proof? See, given circle is s equal to 0. Given point is P x1 y1. The two tangents from P meets the circle at A and B. This point, this line AB is called a chord of contact. Chord of contact. We know that equation of the chord of contact is S1 equal to 0. So take any point on the pair of lines. S equal 0 is the given circle. P x1 y1 an external point. Two tangents drawn from P meets the circle at A and B. The line AB is called chord of contact. We know that equation of the chord of contact is S1 equal to 0. Next, from junior inter syllabus, this is L equal to 0 line. This is A, P x1 y1, Q x2 y2. The ratio in which the line divides the line segment joining PQ in the ratio minus L11 by L22. That is the formula. We apply this formula. This is the line equation. This is the P point. This is the Q point. So ratio PB is to QB equal to minus L11 by L22. L11 means direct substitution of the first point in the line equation. L22 means direct substitution of the point Q in the line equation. We apply this formula. So PB by QB, substitute this point directly in the line equation. 1 point, direct substitution. We get S11. Substitute second point in S1. Already there is 1. We apply 2 point. So we get S12. So by using this formula, minus L11 by L22, we take the modulus symbol. So S11 by S12. Next, in the senior concept, this is the line equation, circle equation. This is the P point, this is B point, x1, y1. This is nothing but length of the tangent from P to B point. Length of the tangent formula root S11. Next, QB QB is also length of the tangent from Q. What is Q point? X2, Y2. So, under root S2, Y2 from X1, Y1 under root X1, S11 from X2, Y2 length of the tangent root S22. So, PB by QB equal to under root S11 by S22. So this is length of the tangent from P. PB is length of the tangent from P. QB is length of the tangent from Q. So from 1 and 2, both LHSs are equal. So equal RHS modulus of S11 by S12 equal to under root S11 by S22. Squaring on both sides. S11 whole square by S12 whole square equal to root 2 square cancel S11 by S22. Both sides S11 cancel by cross multiplication S11 into S12 equal to S12 whole square. Q is any point on the pair of lines. Any point on the pair of lines. So take a locus of Q. Therefore, locus of Q x2 y2. Q x2 y2. So this becomes to S1. This is S1. This becomes to S1 square. This becomes to S1 square equal to S into S11. This is 2. S11 into S22. So locus of x2 y2. This becomes to S1 square. This becomes to S. This becomes to S11. Generalize x2 y2 point. So eliminate this 2 number. S1 square equal to S into S11. So this is the equation of the pair of tangents. Equation of the pair of tangents. Next. Next. 2 marks bit. 2 marks bit. Fifth Roman 1. Given points capital A 4 comma K, B point 2 comma 4, S circle x square plus y square equal to 17. Given the points are conjugate points. Conjugate points definition is S12 equal to 0, x1 x2, y1 y2 equal to 17, 4 into 2 k into 3 equal to 17. 3k plus 8 equal to 17. 3k equal to 17 minus 8, 9. K value 9 by 3 equal to 3. Conjugate points S12 equal to